First-person immersive experience DJI Mavic Air to drone repair. Damaged cooling fan of drone. Replaced with a new arm. Original factory craftsmanship, sufficient solder paste. We can see the battery shell is cracked. We'll replace its top shell. Grab a good battery shell and replace it. We've finished assembling this drone. We'll take it outside for a test flight. Great, no error codes showing now.